In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Microsoft Edge language. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the Settings page where you can customize different parts of your browser. Next, find the Languages section. You can scroll through the settings or use the search bar to quickly find Languages. Under Preferred Languages, click Add Languages. Search for the language you want to use, select it from the list, and click Add. Once the language has been added, click the three dots next to it. From the available options, select Display Microsoft Edge in this language. After selecting your new display language, click Restart when prompted. Microsoft Edge will close and reopen with the new language applied. Once Edge restarts, the browser's menus, settings, and other interface elements will appear in your selected language. That's it. You've now learned how to change Microsoft Edge language. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.